Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A monochrome monolith against nature's canvas. The black house stands as a stark, monolithic presence against the backdrop of a snowy mountain. Its obsidian exterior is a stark contrast to the pristine white of the peak, creating a dynamic interplay of light and shadow. The house is a testament to the power of minimalism, a design philosophy that seeks to find beauty in simplicity and purity of form. Clad entirely in black, the house is a study in monochromatic elegance. Its smooth, reflective surfaces mirror the sky and the surrounding landscape, blurring the lines between architecture and nature. The expansive glass doors, like picture frames, offer unobstructed views of the snow-capped mountain and the verdant lawn that stretches out in front. These transparent portals invite the natural world indoors, creating a seamless transition between interior and exterior spaces. The lawn, a verdant carpet, serves as a counterpoint to the house's dark exterior. It is a place of repose, a soft landing pad for the eye after the stark drama of the architecture. The stone stream, meandering through the lawn, adds a dynamic element, its gentle flow a soothing counterpoint to the house's imposing presence. The interplay of water, stone, and greenery creates a sense of tranquility and harmony. Behind the house, the snow-capped mountain is a constant, awe-inspiring presence. Its majestic form dominates the skyline, its pristine white surface a stark contrast to the black house. The juxtaposition of these two powerful elements creates a sense of drama and tension, yet also a profound sense of balance and harmony. The black house is more than just a dwelling. It is a statement about the relationship between human creation and the natural world. It is a place where the human spirit can find solace in the face of nature's grandeur, a sanctuary of modernity that coexists in harmony with the natural world. In essence, this architectural composition is a bold experiment in form and function. It is a house that challenges conventional aesthetics, inviting viewers to reconsider their perceptions of beauty and space. It is a place where the boundaries between architecture and landscape are blurred, creating a truly unforgettable experience. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.